Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Tundra radiator. First, let's get prepared. You'll need a good set of wrenches, pliers, and a large drain pan. Always make sure your engine is cool to the touch before you start. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then, locate the drain cock at the bottom of the radiator and drain all the old coolant into your pan. This ensures a clean workspace and prevents spills. Now, let's disconnect everything attached to the radiator. Use pliers to loosen the clamps and remove both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Be ready for some residual fluid. Next, carefully disconnect the transmission cooler lines. A small amount of fluid may leak, so have a rag handy. Unbolt the fan shroud, then remove the entire fan assembly. Finally, disconnect any electrical connectors that are still attached to the radiator. With everything disconnected, it's time to remove the old radiator. Locate and unbolt the radiator mounting brackets that secure it to the vehicle's chassis. Once these are removed, carefully lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay. Take a moment to inspect the area where the radiator sat for any dirt or damage. Now, prepare your new radiator, ensuring it's in perfect condition for installation. Let's install your new radiator. Carefully lower it into the engine bay, making sure it seats correctly in the mounting points. Reconnect all the hoses, transmission cooler lines, and electrical connectors, ensuring they are tight and secure. Reinstall the fan shroud and fan assembly, tightening all bolts. Finally, refill your cooling system with the appropriate type of coolant, typically around 3 gallons, and bleed any air from the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.